Picture a boutique owner in a college town. She sells candles, kitchen items, curated gifts. November and December see really strong sales, and tourists visit, students buy, foot traffic mainly carries the business. Then January hits. Her Instagram reach drops, holiday shoppers are gone, revenue falls by half. She has 900 email addresses just sitting in a spreadsheet. Customers who bought from her entered a giveaway, filled out a form. She's never sent a single email. Not a thank you, not a sale announcement, nothing. Email marketing delivers $36 to $42 for every dollar spent. Email subscribers are 3 to 5 times more likely to purchase than social media followers. And unlike Instagram or Facebook, you own your list. No algorithm changes, no pay-to-reach fees. I'm Sophia from imFORZA, and today I'm walking you through 8 email marketing strategies you can set up this week. These are not complex enterprise tactics. These are quick wins that work for small businesses. Most email marketing advice assumes you have resources that small businesses usually don't. Resources like a dedicated email manager, a designer, a data analyst. You're wearing 12 hats and you're trying to figure out if you should even be doing email at all. There are 3 myths that keep small businesses from getting started. First is that you need a big list. A service business with 200 contacts can generate real revenue from day one. Second is that email marketing is expensive. HubSpot's free plan includes 2,000 emails per month with a CRM. You can start for $0. Third is that people don't read marketing emails. Average open rates sit between 26 and 39%. Welcome emails hit 84% open rates. The issue isn't that people ignore email. The issue is most businesses send bad ones. So let's fix that. Here are 8 strategies you can implement this week. Number 1 is to choose your platform. You can't send a marketing email from Gmail to 500 people. You need a platform that handles sending, tracking, unsubscribes, and compliance so you can focus on the writing. HubSpot Free offers 2,000 emails per month with built-in CRM. It's best if you want your email and your CRM in one place. Beehive Free offers 2,500 subscribers and unlimited sends. Best if newsletters will be your focus. Kit is free for up to 1,000 subscribers with a landing page. It's best for creators and solopreneurs. Campaign Monitor starts at $9 per month with really beautiful templates. Don't overthink this. The best platform is the one that you'll actually use. Quick win number 2 is email authentication. This sounds technical, but it's critical. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are authentication protocols that prove your emails are legitimate. Gmail, Yahoo, and Microsoft now require all 3 for commercial senders. Without them, your emails might not just go to spam, they might not arrive at all. Your email platform will provide specific DNS records. You add them through your domain registrar like GoDaddy or Cloudflare. Most platforms include step-by-step guides. It takes about an hour. Do it once, never worry about it again. Your next quick win is to create a sign-up form. You can't grow your list without a way for people to subscribe. Put a sign-up form in your website header, footer, and at the end of your blog post. Some best practices are to keep it simple. Just email and first name to start. Tell people exactly what they'll get and how often. Weekly tips on home organization converts better than subscribe to our newsletter. Design for mobile first because over 80% of people open email on their phones. Quick win number 4 is to write a welcome email. Someone signs up for your list and then nothing happens. They're at peak interest and expecting to hear from you, but you go silent. Welcome emails get 4 times more opens and 5 times more clicks than standard sends. What to include? You should confirm what they signed up for, deliver any promised resources, set expectations for what's to come next, and give them one clear call to action. Write it once, set it to trigger automatically. Every new subscriber will get it from that point forward. Your 5th quick win is to build a lead magnet. A lead magnet gives people a reason to hand over their email address to you. Subscribe to our newsletter is not always compelling enough. What works are interactive quizzes that convert 30 to 45%. Data reports convert at 15 to 25%. Template bundles from 10 to 20%. And PDF checklists will convert from 5 to 12%. The key is specificity. Something like a vague guide to free marketing converts at 0.5%. A specific 7-day email sequence template for real estate agents converts at 5 to 10%. Quick win number 6 is to send your first newsletter. Do not wait for perfection. Your first email, it won't be your best, and that's fine. Follow the 80-20 rule. 80% value-driven content, 20% promotional. Your subscribers signed up for value, not a consistent sales pitch from you. A good first newsletter structure includes 1 actionable tip, a quick personal note, 1 clear call to action, and you should keep it short, 200 to 400 words. Best days to send tend to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the best times are typically 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in your audience's time zone. Quick win number 7 is to have a mobile responsive template. 80% of email users prefer opening on their phones. Half will immediately delete an email that doesn't display correctly on mobile. Mobile design essentials include a single column layout, a minimum 14 pixel body text, CTA buttons at least 44 by 44 pixels for thumb-friendly tapping, and images should be compressed under 200 kilobytes each. Most platforms include mobile responsive templates. Just pick one, customize it with your logo and brand colors, and use it as your default. Quick win number 8 is to configure your analytics. You need to know if your emails are working. Set up tracking from day one. Metrics to watch are open rate. A benchmark to keep in mind is 26 to 39%. Click-through rate is the most reliable engagement signal. A good benchmark there is 2 to 6%. And your unsubscribe rate should stay below 0.3%. And your bounce rate should stay below 2%. Every platform tracks these automatically. Spend 10 minutes after each send reviewing the numbers. After a month, you'll have clear patterns showing what your audience responds well to. These 8 quick wins are your foundation. Once they're running, you can add high-impact strategies like welcome sequences, abandoned cart recovery, list segmentation, and re-engagement campaigns. But don't try to do everything at once. Pick one strategy, set it up this week, measure it for 30 days. Then pick the next one. We have a complete guide on our blog that covers 25 total strategies organized by how much time they take to implement. You'll find quick wins like we went over today, plus some more, high impact changes, and strategic systems. You can find the link in the description. But quickly, let's go over some mistakes to avoid. The first is skipping authentication. Without SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, your emails may permanently be rejected. Second is sending to your whole list every single time. Even having basic audience segments like new versus existing customers will drastically improve your results. The third is setting and forgetting automation. Review every active automation quarterly. Copy gets stale, links break, offers expire. If we go back to the boutique owner I told you about at the beginning of this video, she didn't need a marketing team or an $800 per month tool. She set up a free HubSpot account, created a sign-up form, wrote a simple welcome email, and started sending a weekly newsletter. Within 2 months, email was her most reliable traffic source during the slow season. Within 4 months, she could trace 25% of her online revenue directly to email. She started with 1 email, then 2 automations, then segmentation, 1 piece at a time. Most people try to do everything at once and give up 2 weeks later when nothing works quite right. Pick one strategy from this video, the one that fixes your most painful problem right now, set it up this week, measure it for 30 days, then move on to the next. 1 single working email beats 5 half-built automations every single time. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical marketing tutorials. And if email marketing feels overwhelming, we do this for businesses every single day. Check out imFORZA.com to learn more. Our link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Now go send that first email.